Songs for beer drinking. How about songs about the winter time? How about fun songs? Oh, shut up. How about songs about songs from musicals, songs about fun and stuff like that. How about
Rob, what did you say?
oh, you're gonna make fun of me again. You guys leave me alone.
No, everybody
Hey,
just
hold
leave it
on.
alone. Hold on. What did you say?
I said leave me alone. Y'all picking on me.
What was your idea?
I just said maybe we could do some fun songs.
That's not such a
But
good
yeah, that's
idea.
exactly what we're doing up here.
Yeah.
You really think so? All right, let's give Rob a big round of applause, everybody. Thanks for the fun songs. Yes, I thought of that myself. I was standing back there listening to all your ideas, and I said fun songs.
Now? No. They don't use a union worth a cent. I think they're gonna put up a building.
well, I hope it's a Showbiz Pizza Place building. Well, Granny, I sure do miss y'all. How's Uncle Bill and Aunt Almer doing?
Bill, he hasn't been feeling good. He has that old sinus, you know.
Yeah.
You won't have that.
What is it? It's
Sinus
sinus. In my foot, you mean?
in your head.
Oh, yeah. Sometimes I
He
do.
has that.
Uh-huh.
And Alma has it too, but
Do tell.
we just be taking care
Well, Granny, you know I want to come see you, and I'll be there as soon as I can get there. You know, I've been working real hard lately.
You're not getting out of grubbing and picking up bushes and things, but you're working hard.
Yeah, you know, and speaking of which, Granny, I got to get back to work and play some music for these folks here. And, you know, that's why we called you, because I thought I'd ask you for some advice on how to pick the next song.
Well, I'm gonna tell you, you have to be careful. Be careful and try your best to pick the right one.
Okay, Granny, well, we will. And you hang on the line, okay? And we're going to send the beautiful Tennessee Waltz out to you. Lily, you got that call through to Granny yet? Okay, operator, help me get this call through, please, to Granny. Folks, we're going to get a call through to my granny who lives in Union, South Carolina. That's just 5 miles outside the bigger town, Whitmire. And,
Well, Granny! Yeah, he's been watching this all day. Yeah, your wine's been missing. Hang on.
hey,
I got your Granny on the phone.
thanks, Looney. Yeah, hi, Granny. Looney, you got that on speakerphone?
Just right.
Hey, Granny, we've been trying to get you all day long. Your line's been so busy.
Oh, my goodness. I wouldn't have been on no phone for a big old cow in Texas if I'd known I'd got a call from you.
Well, Granny, we got you now, and we're calling you live from Showbiz here. We're in the middle of a show, and we're doing country music this month at Showbiz Pizza.
kick on?
A couple seconds.
Is it gonna be early?
I don't know. It's no one yet. Why'd you pick?
They're the same. I pressed green.
What button did you pick?
You should have known the thing. I picked the green. The green button.
Oh, Billy Bob's moving. I don't know why.
Everything is beautiful. That's
What did
my
you
granny
pick?
says.
Have you listened to
She
this?
said, "Billy
No.
Bob, everything's beautiful in its own way." I said, "Really? You mean you like them a stormy summer night? She said, "Uh-huh. And snowy winter today?" And she says, "Uh-huh." I said, "You tell. Everything is beautiful.
Why did you pick this one?
In its own way." Yep. Under God's heaven, the world's gonna find a way. Under God's heaven, our world's gonna find a way. Sure enough, we will.
It's gotta cut to center stage. There's no way this
Lily, you
goes
got that call through to Granny yet? It's still busy, Grandma. Okay, operator, help me get this call through, please, to Granny. Billy Bob's Granny. Hey, folks, we're going to get a call through to my granny who lives in Union, South Carolina. That's just 5 miles outside the bigger town, Whitmire. And, well, Granny! Yeah, he's been wanting to get you all day. Yeah, your line's been busy.
This camera quality is so
Hey,
much better.
yeah, I got your granny on the phone. Thanks, Looney. Yeah, hi, Granny.
You
Looney,
gotta
got
send me
that on
these videos.
speakerphone?
It's better than my
Hey,
camera
Granny, we've
quality.
been trying to get you all day long. Your line's been so busy.
Oh my goodness, I wouldn't have been on no phone for a big old pound cake if I'd known that I got a call from you.
Well, Granny, we got you now, and we're calling you live from Showbiz here. We're in the middle of a show, and we're doing country music this month at Showbiz Pizza Place. And that always
never
makes
heard
me
of
think of
this
you, because you've been
I
living in
haven't
the
heard
country
this
all
show.
your
Well,
life.
I've heard the show tape.
Well,
Never
tell
heard
us,
of that.
Granny, is there any big news in Union there right now?
No, they ain't no news in Union worth a cent. I think they're gonna put up a building.
well, I hope it's a Showbiz Pizza Place building. Well, Granny, I sure do miss y'all. How's Uncle Bill and Aunt Almer doing?
Bill, he's been feeling good. He had that old silence, you know.
Yeah.
You ever have that
Well, what is it? It's
silence
sign it. In my foot, you mean?
in your head?
Oh, yeah. Sometimes I
Like you
do.
have that. And I don't have to do it.
Do tell.
Oh, we just take a bit.
Well, Granny, you know I want to come see you, and I'll be there as soon as I can get there. You know, I've been working real hard lately.
You're not getting out of grubby and digging up bushes and things, but you're working hard.
Yeah, you know, and speaking of which, Granny, I got to get back to work and play some music for these folks here. And, you know, that's why we called you, because I thought I'd ask you for some advice on how to pick the next song.
Well, I'm going to tell you, you have to be careful. Be careful and try your best to pick the right one.
Okay, Granny, well, we will. And you hang on the line, okay? And we're going to send the beautiful Tennessee waltz out to you.
Oh, it's center stage. That's good.
Thank you.
adjusted his jump before where he could actually hit it, and they readjusted it where you can now. All the good things, like taking it off the shelf.
It's like 5 minutes from here. So if you need anything, let me know. Get back to the bed, okay?
Some of the other ones that you can have like more than one person talking and stuff. And typically the character talking is like actually on stage and not on a phone. Yeah. And they're usually like,
We gotta go now,
I don't know,
Brandon.
making jokes or something. Yeah. All the plates are like back here.
Oh, this is one. Yeah, put it right here.
That don't move.
Not like the bowling alley, yeah. Who's the small guy over there?
Small guy?
His head barely pops out.
The guy in the barrel or the...
The wall.
Oh, it's Choo Choo. It's just a little baby bear.
Yeah, they're really hard to pull.
It's what they touch the pizza before the cheese.
Look up a cat. And it stretches. It's so hard to see from that angle.
Realistically, on the table it looks flat out. It's like, when I don't I guess the one in between the people and the other people would be good, but I didn't see it.
We got a ton of
If only that was working quick.
That one didn't sound bad. The beginning part of it.
Maybe that tilt the speakers up. This was a show I wanted to see too, but they have the volume really low.
He's playing Final Fantasy. Also right here.
I think they tilt the speakers up down. This is a show I really like because of the skit. They take notes of everyone around and the speaker volume. So you put it You see, I've been doing like a million different recordings ironically, but that kid's like freaking out. What is going on if I can say this on, but it's not? What? It's good with up close pictures. That's it.
Well, so, like in the future, you'll find it and you'll work through those pictures and like,
It'll make me happy about my phone. Other than not hitting the drums, Duke looks really nice. I think he looks decent. Fats up close to looking kind of Mitzi's okay. Billy Bob looks like crap. Rolf's fine. Beach Bear's beautiful.
I've heard this song.
I'd assume so. It's a little bit of a popular song. Yeah.
I don't know how I look at it now.
It's yeah.
We'll have one, but that's fine.
Be a lot. $10 says it's Billy Bob.
But $10 says one of those starts like, oh. Ready to pay up $10?
He's singing to your own. This is a good show. Yeah, I have this on record, by the way. I love this song.
Oh, that's an album.
Where?
They pulled on the banner.
It's just different years. They leave them up since they have the signatures. This is one of my favorite shows of all time.
I think the last time we were here, they played this. You're like,
I recommended it. I was like, can you do this?
Interrupt me in a while, Papa Uma Mauan. Now, what's on your mind, my little pig?
I was trying to ask if I could hear this next song.
Sure, go ahead, no problem.
Oh my god.
It's facts.
Well, yeah, but you know, the kids.
Ladies and germs. Yeah, just anything. Ladies and gentlemen. Now we're going to sing a
This
song.
is not all country.
Does the song have a name?
Yeah. This song is called Guitar Stand, and it's about a big monkey.
This song is about a monkey, and it's about...
You'll hear him talk.
This one?
It's not about a monkey. Monkey talk is about a monkey. Now, you think you can take it from here?
Oh, yeah, sure. Okay.
How does that
Well,
look?
this guy, he stays in a big casino night.
That looks here. If you want to clean your lens off something,
No, it's because I'm on. I can do 4K here too.
do that, right? Yeah, send it to your link.
About in the nightclub in that song. Now, quit laughing. Now, look, baby, sweetheart, look at me. Now, think about the song and try to do it one more time.
Alright, okay, you see, it's really touching song. It's kind of like a key. It's about this gorilla, and he goes in a spaceship, and it's
Order number 77, your order's ready at the bar. Order number 77.
What in the world are you talking about? Forget about the introduction. I'll do it.
well, excuse me, joking, so I guess you know everything. If you know so much, why don't you just want to touch another world?
Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Real snappy recording. Well, now that you mention it, Mitzi, I might kind of like to be President Day. You know, living in the White House, riding in big cars, eating lots of bananas, waving all the pretty girls.
Right, fast. What about Esmeralda? Is she gonna be riding that big car waving all these pretty girls too?
Can you imagine that fast and have the roller in the same car? They don't make cars that big no more. Now, wait a minute. We can run fast for president. I mean, look at this product here. He's intelligent, articulate, charismatic. Oh, you just say that because it's true. No, really. You're omnipresent. Clairvoyant. Yeah. Three-dimensional. He's even intriguing and enchanting and involving.
Revolting.
Yeah. Oh, wait. No, now think of the possibilities. We could have a hit record with a bullet. We could do the congressional theme song. Yeah. We could go to congressional hearings. Yeah. Wow. We could do the presidential theme song. We could rewrite the national anthem. I'm talking big stuff. I'm talking
I
about...
was waiting for the actual music because I don't want to record.
Yeah. Instant thing. Yeah. Overnight success. President of the world.
This isn't the music yet. It's not the music yet.
I ran out of space on my phone. All from these videos.
Get warm.
7 years ago, my grandfather said to me, "Hey, boy, that you could be president." And I stand before you today to say that there will be a day when I will be president of the world. And there will be a day when there'll be a banana in every pot. And I will work
takes all the
towards peace with people. Yes, my friends, the buck stops here. Because I don't talk softly and I do carry a big stick.
Okay, that one
So
turned out good.
remember the name. And don't forget the Alamo. And, what do you think for you?
Here's the song. Now I'm getting good. I can't really get over there. Just do the front stairs.
Whose child? She was sitting on stage. No. You're from
Did you already own this one?
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
Yo, could you record this? Or actually, you can just record with my phone. Just keep I'm gonna go try to get some pictures. This is a good show.
I can't even record because I keep there's always an old picture.
Those deal with it.
Your mom's coming over.
Oh, okay. Here.
It's 3.
Thank you. Wait, she's leaving again.
She thinks we're recording, that's why.
Order number 87, your order's ready. Put that down.
Maybe I'll record like this. Do you have it on the right settings? Because on the settings, there's like you can change which mode you're on, like your.
He was a real person.